Guys, I'm going to show you today in this tutorial how to make Amination text in Microsoft Access form, just like you are seeing this one display on the screen here, right? As you can see, the text is what's moving, right? Designed by Wazamson Hamza, certified with technical vocational student. You can see the text is moving. This is Amination text in Microsoft Access. I'm going to walk you through on how to make this one in this tutorial. Without wasting time, let's get started. Welcome to Access and Excel Useful Tips channel. If you are new to this channel, do well to hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell icon so you will not miss out each time I upload. Also, don't forget to like, comment your opinion, or comment down below whatever you think about this tutorial. And also don't forget to share to your friends. It means a lot to me and will help this channel to grow. Now we are going to use a blank database. Let's just close this one. I'm going to use a blank database so you can know we are going to do this from scratch. Now we click on Microsoft Access. You can name this with whatever name you want. Okay, now we open. This is a blank database, right? Now that you have opened a blank database, we come here to create and we click on what? Form design. When you click on form design, let's just stretch this a bit. And again, let's just take this off. So the first thing we are going to bring here is our text box. If you don't know text box, just bring your mouse over these areas. Make sure you are on the design tab here. You click, you will see text box. Now we drag our text box here. We don't need this, so we are going to remove it. We only need this one. Let me just reduce the size a bit. Okay, this is how I want it. Now go to format tab here. You can change the writing style the way you want. I think I want area black, and for the background I think I will go with this one, and for the writing I think maybe a little bit white here, right? And the size I think I want something like 14. Okay, now we come to our border style. Let's come to format here first. Let's try to name this text box here. So we are going to name this text box here to be HAMZATXT text. That is Hamza TXT text. Let me text box. Okay. Then we come to our border style. The border style we want transparent. We don't need anything like. Okay. So we click on the form here. Come here. So you will highlight the form here. Okay, now we come to the form property. We want it to be pop up. Say yes. It's like the scroll bars. Put it to neither. Okay. Think what again? Let's come to data here. Let's click on this text box here. We come to data here. Enable, we say no. Enable, we say no. Lock, we say yes. Right? So now let's just drag this all the way here, and also this one all the way here. Now we come to the form here. Click on this form. So you will highlight the form property. Now we come to event and we look for what we call on timer. On timer is all the way down here. So when you click on timer, you click down here and select code builder. Now hit OK button. We are going to input a few line code here so you will see what will happen. Now we start with me dot. Remember our text box name was Hamza TXT. That was our text box name. So if our text box is equals to mid in brackets me dot our text box name again Hamza TXT, then what will happen? 2, then we close our bracket. Right, so now we use our if statement. If the length of our text box, which is Hamza HAMZATXT Hamza text box we close it, is equals to 0 or is empty, me.hamza. That is, if our text box is empty, Hamzatxt is empty, we close it, then what will happen? Then our text box, which is me.hamzatxt, then our text box, which is Hamzatxt, will equals to, give it a space here, bracket 25. Then we bring our and symbol. So now we are bringing in the text that we want. What will be the text we want to display there? We say Excel and access useful tips YouTube channel by Wazamson. Right? This is our text that we want. So see that we have already put our text we want, and this is an if function, so we are going to end our if statement. End if. So we have already ended our if statement. This is the code. For those of you guys that may want the code, you can look into the description of this video. You will find the code here. Okay, you can either just copy and paste. Now we save this one to be what, form 1. Now we close this one. Now we come to our time interval here, and the time interval we are going to put 80 because the higher the number, the faster the text should go. So I don't want the text to run that too fast, so I only pick it at 80. Now let's go to the form and see what we have. You see that, guys? We're looking cool. You see that? Hamza. I guess I hope you like this, right? You can decide to place the text wherever you want it, above the form or below the form. I guess and hope this one set for you a lot. For those of you who might want the code, just look into the description of the video. You will find the code here. Please, 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 don't just watch this video and leave. Hit that subscribe button for me to help this channel to grow. It means a lot.